Doing good, doing good.
Today webinar, I want to show you everything about Loan Factory, about me, about how we do business, about our system, how we move a loan from A to Z. So I want you to really understand Loan Factory and me and how we can be a better platform. I will prove to you that we are a better platform for loan officer. I will prove that to you. And I want, if you have any question related to what I just talked about, please raise your hand. But if it's not related, please wait to the end. Okay? So I will get going right away. Sorry, I was late a little bit. So here is our website. By the way, rate are dropping. Everyone should get a little more busy. If you don't see the run up in production, that means you need to take a very strong action. You need to do something big because everyone see a jump in production. Everyone rate are dropping. So normally I look at the bond yield. I look at the bond yield right here, and right now rate at the 1 year low. You see how it moved, right? So that means a lot of people are refinancing right now. And I believe that rate gonna drop more. And we've been waiting for so long for this time, right? Refinance time is the best time in the industry. So if you have no idea how to catch a lot of refinance business, you need to think harder. You need to learn from what I'm gonna show you. Okay, a little bit to share with you. And here is our website. You can see our website. It's different and better. I want you to pay attention to every little thing that I do. Everything we do better and different than our competitor. Everything. And that's why our slogan is "We dare you to compare." I want every little thing we do better than competitor. So you can see our website is very functional. It's not just pretty, but it's functional. It gives benefit to everyone. So our website help Loan Factory grow, get more clients, build reputation. And you can see on the left side, we have the $1,000 best price guarantee. So we guarantee that we beat any offer, or we pay the consumer, the borrower, $1,000. No one else in the country dare to offer this, and we do. This helps us get more clients. It helps the consumer shop around. It helps everyone. It helps the consumer to believe that we have the best pricing and they should work with us, right? When you run a business, you don't want to be just an ordinary loan officer. You want to be different or better or any better, right? You want to impress your client. You want to show to the client that they better work with you because you have better rate, because you're a better loan officer, right? If you're not different than any other loan officer, then you have to change. Simply like that. If you're just an ordinary somebody, nobody wants you. Let's say you're a doctor, attorney, insurance agent. I mean, whoever you are, you have to be different or better if you want to be successful. So here we have $1,000 best price guarantee. If we cannot beat another offer, you will receive $1,000. And we have term and condition right here. So basically, the consumer simply upload the loan estimate right here. And if we cannot, we will tell them if we can beat it or not. If we cannot beat it, we tell the borrower to close that deal and send us the CD. We will then pay them $1,000. And you, if you join Loan Factory, you can promote this. You can promote this. All you need to do is compete. Let's say if someone give you a loan estimate, if the borrower give you a loan estimate from another loan officer, your goal is to beat that. That's all. And normally, in order to beat, you have to be willing to lower your compensation, right? And in case that we really lose, that we cannot beat that offer, then the company will pay you for $1,000. You don't have to pay. So that is one of the benefits that Loan Factory offer you. You can promote this program. We will create a website for you. We will create a website for you, and you can just turn this on, and that means all your clients can see this. Okay, and this program we only honor conventional FSA VA loan. We don't honor fixed rate. We don't honor adjustable. We don't honor jumbo loan or non-QM loan. So any question before I move on? Okay, and please do ask a lot of questions.
I'm sorry, you did say you do FHA as well as VA?
Yeah, we do all types of loans. All types of loans.
No, I mean, in the guarantee, is that FHA part of it?
Yes, FHA and VA as well. Yeah.
Thank you.
Also, yeah.
If you don't mind me asking, how many times have you had to pay out the $1,000? I would bet not very often. Yeah, zero.
Yeah,
that's what I would bet. Yeah.
So, in order to do this, we have to stay compliant. A lot of broker, lender, loan officer out there hate this program, right? Because they lose and deal to us. So we have to make sure we stay compliant. You know, the regulator, they want to go after us too. They want to make sure that a promise is a promise. I have to honor the promise. So a consumer or a competitor might pretend to be a consumer and then go in here and they might get us into trouble. So we track everything. We track all the requests. We make sure we beat all offers or we pay them $1,000. And so far we haven't lost any deal, any money. Yeah.
And I am sorry, you said all types of loans. You mean, I mean, like personal loans, hard money loans?
No, only mortgage, only conventional.
Real estate, yeah.
Yes.
Real estate loans. Okay.
Yes, mortgage. Yeah. Thank you.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yes. Oh, by the way, you can raise your hand. That way it's better. Yeah, go ahead, Mita.
Yeah, I have a question. I want to know, for people that they are new in the industry, do you guys offer any training by any chance?
Yes. But hold on, please, because I want, if it's not relevant, please wait to the end, because I will cover a lot. I will cover a lot of information. So you have to be a little patient. Thank you. So go back to the main home page here. You can see on the right side, we have a pricing engine. The consumer, any loan officer, any competitor can check the rate on our website. We are not afraid of competition. We love transparency. We love consumers to be able to see the rate before they apply with us. So here's our pricing engine. One thing I want all of you to do is compare your rate versus Loan Factory rates. You know that you are running a business, right? And you want your business to be competitive. You want your business to be better than your competitor, right? But one bad thing is Most loan officers don't even know the competitors. You don't know where you stand against your competitors. You don't know how is your rate versus your competitor. That is the fact. Most of us, I would say all of us, rarely compare your rate versus the competitor rates. And you have no idea. So I want you to compare. Imagine a client come to you and say, hey Adam, hey Rick, I have an offer, I have a loan estimate from Loan Factory. Can you beat it? So I want to challenge, I want to see if you can beat Loan Factory rates. You do a little homework, right? It take you 1 minute, only 1 minute. And I bet you some of us might not even do it. You have to take action. You have to do things, okay? So I want you to run a pricing, and I'm going to share with you the pricing. And I'm going to give you a typical loan, but then the credit score is really bad. And let's see. One special thing about Loan Factory is we build all the software ourselves. We don't use any other people's software, like 𝐅𝐼R, Lending Pad, or Loan Shifter. We don't use all of that. We build our own software. We build our own tool, and our tool is better. Our tool is better. So, for example, I think that most of you don't even aware, most of you don't even know that the borrower might get better rate if they have a bit lower income. So, for example, I will prove it to you why our pricing, our system is better, our software is better. So, for example, we look at the income and we ask the borrower for the income. And just 1 second, I try to. So, just 1 second. So let's see the rate on this scenario. Our system, we try to find better rate for the borrower. And if the borrower get better rate, you win, right? It's all about using the right tool to find better option for the clients. That will make you become a better loan officer. You fight hard, you work hard for your clients. You give them the best possible deal that no one else can. So for this pricing, it's very typical, right? This borrower, now 20% have low credit score. Therefore, the rate is 6.5, 6.5% with a little bit of points, right? No question so far, okay. However, if the borrower income is lower, so for example, if the borrower income is $230,000, this is in Silicon Valley, Northern California. So if the borrower income is $230,000, let's see what is the rate. It's the same scenario. The borrower credit score is bad, 650. And now the rate dropped to 5.75. It's a big surprise, right? Their income is $230,000 and they get the best rate. The government is helping them. If you click on the lender name here, you can see that there is an adjustment of 2.25% being waived because the income is low. Okay, we break down everything, all the adjustment here, all the calculation here, and the broker compensation is 1%. 1% broker comp. So I want you to do this homework. You can do it. Any one of us can do it. We don't restrict you. Go to loanfactory.com and play around with the system. You can see, imagine you off the same client, go to you. You quote them 6.5. I quote them 5.75. Who will win? Right? So a better tool will help you become more successful. It's important to use a better tool, right? So our tool help you locate a better deal for your client, and therefore you can win. And not only that, I know that most loan officers are so bad. Most loan officers should feel ashamed because you don't use the technology, you don't use the software to shop around for your clients. Most loan officers send all their loan to 1 or 2 lenders, and that is so bad. That is wrong, because if you look at this, I shop around, I pick the best lender for my client, Union Home. And look at these other lenders out here. The borrower has to pay $3,000, $4,000, even $10,000 to get the same rate. And you know, these lenders, I think you are familiar with them, right? NMSI, AD Mortgage, Loan United, Windsor. I bet you are familiar with them. That means you are doing okay. That means they have some clients. And I feel bad for those loan officer or clients that end up with these lenders. At Loan Factory, we shop around every time, and we pick the best lender for our clients. Think about just simply using the tool to shop around, how much money you save for your client and save for you. Remember, you should never say, oh, it's the client who pays. That is wrong. It's you. Your business will suffer. If your client suffer, you are suffering as well. You want to give the client the best possible deal, right? So this is just some example to show to you how important it is to know how to use the best tool, how to do things so that you can help your clients. And at Loan Factory, you can do the same with non-QM loan. Same thing, non-QM loan. So let's say if you run a bank statement program, right? Let's check out the rate. And look at this. We have 6.5 rate for bank statement program. And imagine, I bet you 90% of the loan officer out there don't use a pricing engine for non-QM loan. More than 90%. And 90% of loan officers out there are not good at non-QM loan. And 90% don't even have time or don't know how to shop around for the non-QM loan. It's so painful to call every single non-QM lender to ask if they do the loan, what is their rate and all that. It's so painful. But here, it takes me less than a minute. And I can see all the ranking here. The same scenario. Some of the lender here charge $5,000, $6,000, $9,000 $9,000. And they are well-known lender, Plaza, Champion, Broker First. They are well-known. Think about how much you save your client. And not only that, you will win for sure. If I pick this lender, I am 90% sure nobody can beat me. And when you run a business, it's so important to make sure that nobody can beat you. You won't lose any clients, right? And, you know, one of the reasons I am successful is because I am determined that nobody can beat me. I would not lose my client to anyone. And in the past 19 years, whenever I lose one client, I got so mad. I got upset. I kept thinking so hard how to stop that from happening again. And I have to make sure it happened. You think about this. How much a client worth to you? To me, it's $10,000 because the client will come back and refer more clients to me, right? So the one client worth at least $10,000. And think about this. I bet that most of you lost your wallet or your purse in your lifetime. You lost it, right? And imagine you have $1,000 cash in the wallet and you lost it. You would feel bad for the whole day, right? Or even longer than that. And you keep thinking about that, right? Imagine you have $10,000 in your wallet and you lose it. How would you feel? I want you to feel like that. Then whenever you lose a client, you get so mad, you get upset, $10,000, I just lost it. Then you need to find a way to stop that from happening again. Right? Of course, you don't want to lose the wallet again. Come on. But if you feel so strong about that, you will find a way to stop that from happening again. Huh? So, and I want to quickly show you what you can do with our pricing engine. You can do a DSCR loan, and you can see the rate here, 7.25. There's a lot of way you can save. And then on the bottom here, we show our loan officer. So we create a website for all our loan officers. And we help loan officers to build reputation, Google review. We help our loan officer. So, for example, you can have your own domain name, and we can visit. This is the loan officer website. It's a little bit slow. We are revamping this website right now. My internet is a little slow. But we have different template. We have different template you can pick, you can use. Okay. So let me move on, and I will show you some other feature. You can compare a rate versus this. This is like buy down option, right? The borrow pay points to get lower rate, and you can compare it side by side. Or you can compare a 15-year versus 30 years. You just select 15 years, select the rate, and then compare. You can see the saving, a lot of saving. Okay. And you can also compare an FHA loan versus conventional loan. You can do all of this, really easy. This is the pricing engine that we built for Loan Factory. You can click on this, conform in here, to see what type of loan it is. What is the loan limit? 2 unit, 3 unit, you can see all of this. And all for different type of loan as well. Really quick and easy. Hi, Ron. Hello, Ron.
Hello. I had a question on the broker compensation. It says 1%, and on everything I saw before this, it was 250 bips. So what's the difference?
So the difference is, let me show you. So at Loan Factory, you can earn up to 2.5%. That is our lender pay compensation. However, you know that most of the loan, we don't make that much because of the competition, right? Normally, we have to make less than that. So we allow you to lower your compensation. You can switch the compensation type to borrow pay and lower the compensation. So when you see 1%, that is what I typically make. And it's up to you. We build a website for you that have a pricing engine on it. You can set your compensation in the pricing engine. If you set it low, your client will get better rate. If you set it high, your client will get higher rate. And there are two ways you can lower your compensation. First is to switch it to a borrow pay compensation. Second is to use the correspondent channel. We are a correspondent lender in these states, over 30 states, and we expanded it to all states. And we have 4 investors: Kai Landing, PennyMac, Rocket, and SunWest. So, did I answer your question now?
Yeah, so a typical home loan, so we get 1%, and we still have to pay the 500 for processing and 595 for a doc fee, I guess.
Correct. So there are 2 fees at Loan Factory: a broker fee of 595, a flat fee, and 500 processing fee. For processing fee, you can pick a third-party processor, but then it costs you more. 500 per loan processing fee is very low. I don't think anyone else offers lower than that. And we offer better quality processing. So when the loan is ready to be submitted, the processor will take over. They will submit the loan, issue disclosure. They will work with all parties: lender, HOA, insurance agent, HR, your company, the company to do VOE. They do everything. They do everything. They take the loan all the way to fund it for you. And even if the loan is funded, they will also do the post-funding condition. They will take care of the compliance. You don't have to submit any document. All you need to do is request the commission and get paid. So we make everything super simple for you. When the loan is approved, the processor will call you and go over our condition with you to make sure everyone are on the same page. And they will contact the borrower and take care of all conditions for you. So that is about processing. Very easy, very simple for you. And you don't have to worry. Remember, we work with about 250 lenders, all types of products, all types of lenders. And you don't have to worry about, oh, that lender, I don't know how to work with that lender. I'm not familiar with that lender. You don't have to worry about that. The processor can handle all of that for you. Okay? So everything we do better. I will take a few more questions. Ron, did I answer your question?
Yes, and thank you. That just doesn't leave a whole lot of meat on the bone if we have to pay all those fees on top of only getting 1%. So that seems a little thin. So, but thank you.
It's thin only in California because so much competition. But remember, California loan, the loan amount is bigger.
I'm in Oregon, so that's not.
It's also bigger too. Oregon, the home price going up, loan amount going up as well. And I know Oregon. In Oregon, you don't have to make 1%. You can easily make 1.25 or 1.5. Competition in Oregon is not as severe as California. And you are the one to decide how much you want to set. 1.5 or 1.25, it's up to you. So you will decide on that. Okay. Thank you, Ron.
Okay,
Hello,
thank you.
Tong. Hello, hi, Tong. Hello, Tong. I will come back to you. Hello, Rick. Hello, Rick.
Hi. So the question I have, so if it's the borrower paid is set at 1% or 1.25 or 1.5, whatever you wanted to set it at, you said that is then gives you better pricing. So when it shows up on the LE, does it show up as a brokerage or an origination charge of 1.25 or 1.5%, or is it built into the rate? Like it would be lender paid.
Built into the rate. It's
So the
built-
borrower doesn't see it then.
Correct.
Okay.
However, by law, if you do a wholesale loan and you choose borrower pay compensation,
Hmm.
then the borrower will see that because they are paying for it,
Right.
even though they get a credit back from the lender. But we have to disclose that to the borrower. They will see that.
So it shows up as a 1.5% origination, but then shows back up as a credit on the bottom of
Yes.
the LE. Okay.
Yes, yes. However, there's a better way, which is you can send the loan to the correspondent channel. As the lender, there's no such thing as borrow pay or lender pay. And we don't have to disclose. Nobody see it. It's built into the rate. And at Loan Factory, the pricing for wholesale and correspondent are the same. So that is why most loan officers send loan into the correspondent channel.
Okay.
Thank
Makes
you.
sense.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mhm.
Hello, Tong. Can you say something, Tong?
Yes, you already answered my question. Thank you.
Okay. Cool. Thank you, Tong. Thank you. Let's see who is next. Eddie. Hello, Eddie.
Hello, good afternoon. Yes,
Yes.
I just wanted to be clear. Kind of got confused there. So our lender paid is at whatever we set it at, right? And
Correct.
for example, if it's 2.5%, right? We don't necessarily have to drop it to 1%, right? I know in the state of California, I believe the max is 2%. So that one, our lender paid there will automatically be 2%. This is just in a situation where we want to compete. We'll go borrower paid, adjust our comp accordingly, correct? And second question, our correspondence is, you said it's in line with, so it's 2.5, or can we go higher than the 2.5 for the correspondence?
2.5. We want to stay compliant. We don't
Okay.
want the regulator to go after us and say that we're steering the client and make more money. So we cap everything at 2.5%.
Understood. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. And on our pricing engine, this is when you log in, this is the view that you see. You can change your compensation here. And when you change it, the pricing will change. Okay. So that is, let me explain a little bit more. Okay. But let me take two more questions, two more. Hi, Angela.
Hello. Hi, everybody. My question was something a little different. The company leads, could you explain a little bit about that, please?
Lead. Okay. I will explain that. But give us a minute or so. Let me go through that because it's a little early now. Okay. So at Loan Factory, we are proud that we have the best technology in the country. Not technology is just one item. There's so many things that we are better than everyone else out there. Technology, we build our own technology platform from POS, LOS, pricing engine, CRM, marketing, everything. We build everything in-house. And I will share with you a lot more soon. Training, we provide training. And we have an academy for you to learn. And you click on, let me see, we have an academy here, training academy. We have online classes to help our loan officer. Here are all the courses that we offer. Okay. And then we also have, let me see right here. We offer, this is the training that we have. You can see that this is our marketplace. On our marketplace, so many things happening, a lot of things happening. You can go here to see all the upcoming training or the completed training. On the completed training, we record it so that you can watch it. And we show you how to understand about compensation and fee on loans, on a pickup call right here. We have prospect, we have pricing, we have lead and marketing. So you can click on it to watch it. And upcoming, we have a lot of training from our loan officer, our coach, and from lender, home port. If you don't know about this home port, you missing out something big, because this home port loan is it's the same thing as private money loan or hard money loan. They don't look at income. They don't look at employment. It's similar to DSCR, and you know that DSCR is for investment loan, right? But this one is for primary resident. No lender offer this, and the rate is under 7%. Can you believe it?
That's good.
Yeah, under 7%. Primary resident, no income, no employment ask. There are three requirements. You have to down 30%. You have to down 30%. Your credit score should be good. If it's low, too low, cannot do it. And you have to have some reserve. That's all. But the rate is even under 6.5%. If you charge them your commission, you can give them less than 6.5%. So it's really good. A lot of great things happen.
Finance?
Yes.
Do they refinance that AAA?
No prepayment penalty. They can refinance anytime. They can pay off anytime.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really good. Let me go back to this. Let me go back to this benefit. Marketing support. We have a team of 11 marketing staff who help you with almost anything about marketing. Like if you need to design a customized image, they will do it. If you want to edit a video and post it on social media, they do it for free. If you want to run an ad on Google or Facebook or any platform, they can help you. Free. Underwriting support. It's getting better. Underwriting support. We will give you. We have underwriter to help you and support you. So, for example, if you go to our marketplace, you can see that we have an underwriter who are live to help you. You can click on it and you can talk to the underwriter. They can help you. They can also help you calculate DTI. If you have a complicated loan, you need help, they can help you. If you're not sure what lender or what product you should go with the loan scenario, they can help you. They work with this every day. They know all the lender guidelines. They know what lender, what product you should send your loan to. And I'm pretty sure that in the past, no matter how good you are, you'll run into that situation. When the borrower situation, you don't know where to send the loan to. You don't know what product. So we will help you with that. And it's free. You can see all the support specialists are live to help you. We have loan officers who are live to help you. So we have 24 different departments. And if you have any question, you can click on to get a ticket. They will help you. Okay. We have a team. We have many teams. So you can join a team. If you need help, you can join a team. If you want to work with other team members, you can join a team. We have mentorship as well. So some of the mentorship have a lot of mentee. So if you are so new in the industry, when you join Loan Factory, we pay you only 80%. But if you join a mentorship, we pay you 100% so that you have money to split with the mentor. You pay the mentor. And I recommend you to do that because the mentor can help you learn a lot of things and become a better loan officer. Mortgage is a lot more difficult than real estate. So with mortgage, it's really difficult for a brand new loan officer to become an expert. Very difficult. So you need a lot of help. And these are all optional. It's up to you. Okay? We have production partner as well. So you can sign up to be production partner, or you can work with a production partner. For example, if you have a Hispanic speaking client and you don't speak the language, you can go here and locate someone who speaks the language to help you. And you can contact the loan officer and talk to them. And if you like the production partner, you can work with them. I can go on and go on, okay? Hi, Jennifer. Hello, Jennifer.
Now,
Yes.
hey there, just a couple of questions on this last part you were discussing. Is there a way that we can become a mentor?
Yes.
Okay, and the other question I had for you was on pricing. When the consumer goes to check their interest rate, do you show a 0% comp and a 1% comp, 2%, et cetera, et cetera? Is that based on borrower paid or lender paid from the consumer's aspect of it?
Good question. We still borrow pay from the consumer aspect. So the bottom line is for the borrower aspect, whatever they see is what they get.
Right. So if a borrower goes in there and sees all these different interest rates, and they obviously will pick the lowest one, correct? So once they pick their interest rate, if that's at a 0% comp, how do you sell the 1% borrower pay?
It's not 0% comp.
Okay.
It's whatever you put into the pricing engine.
Okay. Gotcha.
For me, I put 1%. For you, you can put 1% or 0.5% or 1.5% or 2%. It's up to you.
So our own individual personalized website, we control. Gotcha. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. You have your own website that have pricing engine.
Perfect.
You set up your comp in that pricing engine the way you want.
Okay.
Up to you.
Perfect.
And you can customize it. You can decide to hide a lender name. You can hide the compensation. You can require them to give you information before they can see the rate. You can do so many different things.
Perfect.
To do all of that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. We provide the best support in the industry. We give you live support. Any question you have to go to our marketplace and ask the question. Someone will talk to you and show you. No monthly fee. We give you everything for free, the whole system. And we don't charge any monthly fee. No technology fee. No software fee. Nothing. With all other companies out there, you have to pay for everything. You want loan shifter, pay for it. You want a ride, lending pad, pay for it. Everything costs you money. At Loan Factory, it's free. Okay?
Real quick, but
yes, Isa?
I'm sorry. I have a quick question. I couldn't get my hand raised. Anyway, someone who's going from being a loan officer on a national license to a state license, do you help facilitate that at all? Is there a discount on the education?
No, because you are an independent loan officer, you are independent, so we cannot help you with licensing costs. You have to get your own license.
Okay. And is there a quota monthly that has to be fulfilled?
No. No quota.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. You can be 1099 or W2. It's up to you. But if you choose to be 1090, if you choose to be W2, you have to, if you choose to be W2, then we pay you only 90% instead of 100%. And because of that, most loan officer don't want to be W2. So, but then in some of the states like Nevada, Massachusetts, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, you have to be W2. No choice. Let me see. Also, if you have one rating, we just launch it. One rating is we just launch our RSU stock of the company. So if you produce on average one loan per month over the past 12 months, we give you stock, we give you RSU. The more you close, the more you earn. And you can also refer a producing loan officer to Loan Factory, and you can earn a bonus as well. You can earn a bonus.
Good question, Tuan.
Yes. Go ahead.
Ask a good question, Tuan.
Yes.
All
Yes.
right, going back to 1099 versus W2 in the state of Maryland, they removed the request back 2023, and I am told because of internal policy, Loan Factory still keeps W2 for those who are licensed in Maryland. Is there a time frame when Loan Factory will remove the request from W2 to 1099?
The issue is Maryland. I will keep it short, and I can talk to you later afterward. Maryland, they allow W2. However, the company have to collect tax. So in effect, it's the same. We have to collect tax from you so that we can pay the state government. So, and because of that reason, we pay you W2. That's it. You know, I know the law allow us to pay you in 1099, but because we have to collect tax and pay the state government, so that is why we decide to pay you W2 instead of 1099. Thank you, Adam. Hey, Jennifer.
I see. Thank you.
Hey,
Oh,
Tuan, one more
Jennifer.
a question on that 1099. I used to be with EMC Mortgage, and they allowed me to be 1099 in the state of California because I do not reside in that state. Is that true with Loan Factory?
Loans, we are gonna change. Currently, we allow California DFPI license loan officer to be 1099, but early next year, January 1st, next year, we will change. We will only pay DRE license loan officer 1099. That is
Okay,
in California.
so it's going to be 1099 for good.
If you are DRE, we pay you 1099.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Domiano?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Just quick question. I don't know if I missed you at all, but will this call be available to watch over again for our reference?
Yes, we do record it. Yes. You can ask the onboarding specialist or the recruiter to send it to you. So after this, the team will reach out to you to answer any question you have. If you want to join, they can help you. If you don't want to join, that's fine. It's up to you. It's all up to you, but we do record this and you can watch it again. Let me,
Awesome. Thank you so very much.
yeah, thank you. Let me wrap it up. There's so much more I want to share with you, so much more. So let's talk about our marketplace. You will love what you see. The lender, you can go here to see all the lender. And there are 245 lenders. You can work with them. Some of the lenders are live. That means their AE are live. You can talk to them. If you want to talk to the AE, you want to learn from them, you want to ask them a scenario, you click here and talk to them live. Okay? And you can narrow it down to any lender here. There's a long list of 245 lenders. You can look, you can narrow down by the loan type, the product type. Like if you want private loan, you click on private loan and you can see 84 lender that can do that can do this, just 1 second, let me. I try to write notes so that I can improve. Okay. So, and then you can reach out to them. But then the problem is it's very difficult to call one by one, right? So we have this button, email this lender a scenario. You can email them. You can email this lender. If you click on here, you can write your scenario and you can send it to 10 lender or 20 lender.
That's a great tool.
Yeah, you send them a scenario, they get back to you. And this is how they get back to you. You go to lender finder, you will see it. You can see your question. You look at this. And then you see the lender answer, call me. Normally, if you have this scenario, you would say, wow, I don't know which lender can help me. 13 unit mixed use, 12 unit apartment, 1 unit commercial. But here, you can post it and someone will get back to you. This loan officer posted just a few minutes ago and they got an answer back quickly. And here, same thing. A complicated scenario, but this one is too short. Nobody answered yet.
Does that work on commercial lending as well?
Yeah, this is commercial right here. This is commercial.
Okay.
So any question on any product. So let's go back to the lender here. You can select commercial. Let's see. And there will be, 56 lender that can do commercial. And you can reach out to them or click the button to email them the scenario or text them the scenario and they will get back quickly. We have home equity, DPA, reverse mortgage, mobile home loan. On mobile home loan, we have 6 lenders. So SBA loan, business loan, all kind of program. And this is really cool because most of us, we should never say no to our client. If we lose money, we lose client. And not only that, we lose realtor. If you tell the realtor that you can do any loan, you will never fail them. They will love to work with you. But if the realtor, you work so hard to secure the relationship with the realtor, they like you as the person, they like you as the loan officer. But if they bring you a scenario and they bring you a client and you say, sorry, I cannot help, they will not work with you again, right? So the key is secure your business. Make sure your client, your realtor are happy with you and they love to work with you. You will never lose them again. And at Loan Factory, we make it happen. Let me see. Okay, Satna. Hello, Satna.
Sorry, I was on mute. Quick question. Do you work with loans for mobile homes in a park as well as
Yeah.
private land?
Yeah, this is the one. Oh, chapter
Okay.
mortgage. Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
yeah, thank you. Hello, Ju. Hello, Ju. I will skip you. Hello, William.
Can you hear me?
Yes. You look familiar. Were you joined me before?
I haven't. Well, actually, I have joined the company, but I'm doing the webinar anyway.
Okay, cool, cool.
Yeah, I'm super excited to be aboard. Just working on getting some licensing completed. But I had a couple questions on the refinancing. Is there an option to do a non-traditional timeline? Can you do 27 years, 26 years to kind of match the remaining?
Yes.
Okay.
Some lenders like Rocket allow that. Yes, you can do that.
Okay, but not every lender, but a lot of the big ones.
Yes.
Okay, got it. And so this technology is awesome. Do you do everything through this, or do you have logins for different lenders as well to get through the finish line?
You do have to log into the lender website if you want to. You do have that.
But it's probably,
but you don't have to. Everything can happen on our portal.
that is great. Yeah, my current broker, I have to have multiple logins. So this is awesome.
Yeah, make your life so simple.
Yeah.
You know, we want you to focus on growing your reputation, focus on networking, focus on advertisement, focus on a relationship with realtor and client, focus on bringing more business and not everything else. You know, we don't want you to, because there's so much going on and you need to focus. You need to stay focused, bring in clients, bring in realtor.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Hi, Drew.
Hey there. Thank you. What's the window from, prospect to close?
It's up to you. It depends on the client and if they're ready or not. And it's up to you. Everything's up to you. If you work with them, help them so that they finish the application and give you all the document, then we can submit the loan to the lender and we can close. I guess you're asking how fast can we move the loan, right?
Yeah.
So we move very fast. We have a turn time of 4 hours to submit the loan to the lender. So the moment you, as the loan officer, determine that the loan is good and ready to go, you convert it from a prospect to a loan. That will notify our processor. By the way, you work with one processor so that you get to know the processor. They know you work together for a long time. And the processor, when they get the signal from you that the loan is ready to go, they will have to submit the loan within 4 hours to any lender you want. And I have to show you. Let me show you. When you give them the instruction, what is the lender? What is the compensation? What is the channel? Is it wholesale or correspondent? What is your commission? Any instruction, you put it in, they will take that instruction and follow and do it for you within 4 hours. And after that, normally it's sooner than that. 4 hours is the limit, the maximum limit, right? So normally nobody want to do things last minute. So they submit the loan for you. Then you can lock the rate. You can tell them to lock the rate for you, or you can log into the lender and lock the rate. They will monitor the loan. When the loan is approved, they know, they call you, they go over condition with you, make sure They make sure that they know how to clear all the condition. They will call the borrower. They will call everyone else. They will clear all conditions for you. They have to touch your loan every day. Every day. So that's how it is. And you can access the loan. Let me share with you. I'm sorry, I cannot show you the production side because that is production. It has our client private information there, and I cannot show you that. So I have to show you on a sandbox server. But you, as the loan officer, you can see everything. You can see everything about the loan, the status. You can see the note. You can see the note. You can see the communication. You can, you know when all, you can see all the email and text message going out back and forth. You can listen to the conversation, everything. And you can reach out to the, like you click here, you can see who is the loan officer, who is the assistant, who is the man, the team lead. You can see the processor and all that as well. Like on the loan here, you can click on it to see who's the processor. You can, if you can contact the processor. You click on it, you can contact the processor, and you can escalate it to the manager too. You click here, it's create a ticket for you to escalate to the manager. So because of this system, you will always feel safe. If the processor is delaying, the loan is delaying, you need the processing manager attention. You can escalate, they can help you. So we build our system so good that we close all our loans smoothly. And more importantly, all of our loan will get 5-star review. Look at how many 5-star review that we have. We have almost 15,000 5-star review. No 4-star or 1-star. Everything 5-star. Only at Loan Factory we can do this. And many loan officers fail because you don't care for your client. You don't make sure that all your clients give you 5-star review. And because of that, you lose the client. And because of that, your business doesn't take off. Imagine all your clients love you and happy with you. You're going to be successful for sure. And we make sure that happens. We have a white glove experience for all our clients. They're going to be happy. Even though we have 2,000 loan officers, we make sure no matter how bad you are, no matter how bad or how difficult is our client, they're going to be happy. So we have a lot of review, all 5-star review. Okay, let me go back to this. So we have 3 pipeline: lead pipeline, prospect pipeline, and loan pipeline. You move one from another. You work on lead, and if they're good enough, you will convert it to a prospect. A prospect is actually a loan. If they fill out the application, it is a prospect. If they haven't filled out the application, they still a lead, right? It is very important to understand this. A lead, a prospect, and a loan. A lead is just someone that you have a name or phone number or email, right? They have not filled out the application. The moment they fill out the application, it's important. They are committed, right? They commit to fill out application. So that is a big milestone. If they fill out the application, it becomes a prospect. It's valuable. It's very valuable. But then you know that a lot of clients, they apply with you, but they never proceed. They want a pre-approved letter from you, but they never get the house, or they end up going with someone else. So the moment they committed to work with you, they give you all documents, They finish the application, bingo, that become an active loan. You need to submit it to the lender right away, right? So timing is so critical. The moment they're ready to go and they want to move forward, you need to get everything and submit to the lender, and that it become a loan. So lead, prospect, and loan. You have to understand that. And your goal is to have a lot of lead, working with lead, so that they will like you and they will apply with you. And when they apply with you, you need to make sure they're happy, they can move forward, they send you all documents, then it become a loan. When it become a loan, your goal is 30 days, close it. So that is how things work, right? 3 pipeline: lead, prospect, and loan. Okay, I will take a little break, answer question before I go back to share with you a lot more. There's still a lot more, believe me. Our system is so great. Everything we do is so great to help you. Hi, Ju. Hello, Ju.
Yeah, you answered my question. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, hi, Rick.
How you doing?
Good. Thank you.
This all sounds really good. My question is there a branch model or is there a team model?
Yes.
Can we bring people on under us? Can we?
Yes. We have team model. Team and branch are pretty much the same. You are the team leader. You have people. You have loan officer under you. You earn an override. The team model is better than the branch model. The reason is you save all the overhead. You don't have any overhead. And the consumer nowadays, they don't come to the office anymore. Everything online. The technology allow that too. So the team model is the best. And the team model, in the team model, you can be the team leader. You help your team member. Because you help them, they would love to pay you a split. So our system is built for that. So you can be a team member. You can be a team leader right here. For example, right here, we have some team with, let me see, we have 44 team, some team like 11. You can build a team. Let me see, there's some big team here, 7 member here. So you can have a team, and you can set the split differently with your team member. And you can even have 2-way, like if the team member bring in the client, they get paid more. But if you bring in the client and you give it to them, they get paid less. So our system track all of this. And when the loan is closed, we pay you automatically. We split up the commission, we pay both of you. That way you don't have to worry, you don't have to do anything. Everything is done for you.
Okay, I have one more question with that is, if I'm doing, let's say I do a social media blitz nationwide, and I started getting several loans in states that I am not licensed in, what is the procedure and what is the payout and how does that work?
If you don't have a license, you cannot get paid. However, if you are a W-2 loan officer, you can simply refer to the company and you get paid 50%. Or you can have your team member take care of it. You cannot touch it. You cannot do anything. Your team member who has license can help the client, and we can pay you as well as a team leader. Yeah.
Okay, so let's say I do not have somebody. Let's say I do a social media blast and I get a loan in Oregon, and I don't have any team members in Oregon, and I am not licensed in Oregon. Would I then turn that over to corporate and then get half, or
it's up to you? It's up to you, but I see some problem there because first, you don't have a license there. You should not run ads there. nowadays, when you run marketing, you can decide where you want to run marketing. You should not run national marketing because you don't have license there. You shouldn't run ads in the state that you don't have a license. And on top of that, even if the client reach out to you, you don't have a license, you should not discuss with them because you don't have a license. So the regulation is really tough. Yeah.
So let's say I'm doing a TikTok live show or something, and I get a lead from Oregon. Do I then reach out to somebody through the loan factory that's licensed in Oregon and turn it over to them, or what would be the protocol?
It's up to you, but we cannot pay you. The only two scenario we pay you is if you are W-2, you can refer to the company, we pay you, or you have a team. Those are the two scenarios. We cannot pay you at all, and it's
Okay.
your lead. It's up to you to decide.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, hi, Ju. Oh, you already said. Hey, Patrick. Hello, Patrick. By the way, yeah, let me finish up that unlicensed thing. You can always get licensed in that state. You can always expand. Most loan officers nowadays have license in multiple states, many states. Yeah, Patrick, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I was just going to ask, for being a DRE employee in California, are you able to do real estate with you guys as well, or is it just loan only?
Good question. We just opened up our real estate division, so yes, you can do real estate with us.
Oh, nice, awesome.
Yeah, yes, and we are also a flat fee real estate as well.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Adam. Hello,
Hi,
Adam.
thanks, Don. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. If we have a follow-up clarification questions, who should we reach and how?
The onboarding specialist will talk to you. I mean, after this webinar, the team will reach out to you and answer any question you have, and they can onboard you if you want to join.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. So let me wrap it up. There's a lot more, and I want to share with you. You will like it. We have, here at DPA programs, we have a lot of DPA program down payment assistance. You can filter by state, by program, by lender name, all that. If you want to, okay, let me share with you the loan process from A to Z, right? So the client, when they check the rate, they see the rate, they like it, they can fill out the application, right? Here, they run the pricing, they see the rate, they can click on apply, and they can fill out application. When they fill out application, they can pull the credit report themselves. They can pay for it. You don't have to pay for it. If you want, you can turn on that option. And at the end, our system will show them the list of condition, the document that we need from them. They can upload for us. They will see a shorter version of the application. You, as the loan officer, you see a long version, very long application. But for them, they see a short version of the application. When they fill out the application, our system is smart. Our system will send you a text message to let you know that someone is working on filling out the application, so that you can call them right away while they fill out the application, so that you can help them finish the application. They will be impressed by you. After that, after they fill out the application, you will see it show up right here. You can see the application show up right here, 69% complete or 99% complete. And you will go in, review the application. You can edit the application, you review one by one. And when you can pull credit report, and you can pull credit report. The borrower also give you the permission to put their number in the do not call registry. That way you can block all trigger call. After the borrower finish the application, after you review and make sure everything good to go, you can run the pricing engine and convert it to a loan. You can create Ray Alert right here. You run a pricing engine and you pick the lender. You create a Ray Alert for the client, for you as well. So the Ray Alert, you can create a Ray Alert, let's say 5%. You can create a Ray Alert so that the Ray Alert will notify the borrower. We need to select a lender first. So there are two types of alert: daily and real time. So if the borrower or you can create Ray Alert on a daily basis, will notify you daily, or the Ray Alert, if it linked to a loan, an active loan, then it will monitor the rate in real time. It will notify the borrower and you in real time. So after you review the loan and have the processor submit the loan to the lender, you can call the borrower up and say, hey, thank you for filling out a completed application and upload all the documents. I have reviewed your application and it looked good. I will send your loan to the lender now. I have also created a Ray Alert for you. The Ray Alert will email you the rate every morning around 8 a.m. So please check your mail for the rate. And if you like the rate, call me. I will lock the rate for you. So it's very important that you check your email every morning and call me if you like the rate or if you have any question. The lender will approve our loan within 1 to 2 days. And my processor will reach out to you to share with you any condition from the lender. And if you send us all the document that the lender asking for, then we can close the loan. So you explain with them the process. You tell them what to do. And the borrower, they understand the process. They are in the driver's seat. They are in control. They love it. And they are the one that do most of the work for you. You do very little. They do everything for you. They check the rate, they fill out application, they upload document, they monitor the email, they monitor the rate, they tell you when they want to lock the rate, they give you any additional document we need. They do everything. You do very little. You do very little. The processor do everything as well. The processor will register the loan, issue disclosure, they work on condition, they move the loan all the way to fund it for you. And you do very little. You basically review the application and documents and create Ray Alert, which will take a minute. You lock the rate for them and explain the LECD for them. And that's it. You do very little. And that is the reason why our system is so powerful. You do very little, but the client love you because they are in control. They understand what's going on. They know everything. They love to help out. You have so much more time to focus on bringing more business. And that is the key. The key here is the client happy. The key here is you don't have to work so hard. The key here is you get the best deal for your client and they are happy with you. They love you. So that is the reason why Loan Factory, we are doing so well. and loan officer here love us. And this is the reason why we are the fastest growing company, mortgage company in America. So let me see. Yeah, forget about it. Okay, so let me wrap it up. I have a lot more to show you. We have AI to help you and your client. So when you create an application, we can have AI to help out. AI, when you fill out application, you can upload these documents, and AI will read it and fill out application for you. So powerful. You can also import a Mismo 3.4. Look at all of these many features here. You will love it. You can see that I have two types of alert. One that stand alone and one that linked to transaction. And I have almost 7,000 active alerts that stand alone, and 1,500 active alerts that link to a transaction. And these are the clients that have target hit today. So that means I can call this client and tell them to start the application, right? The target rate 6%, and this borrower gets some money back. All of these are in the money. So this is the reason why I have so many clients, because they love me. They love when they work with me. My loan get closed fast. They know the process. They know they get the best deal. And even after the loan is funded, I still monitor the rate for them and tell them when they should refinance again. You can do this as well, right? Why not? So these are great ways to get more clients. Better than that, I bet most of you heard about HomeBot or My Home IQ, right? We have that for you. We call that Loan Factory IQ. Loan Factory IQ. And I have homeowner here. You can import your past client here, and we'll monitor it for you. We will send a monthly report to this client. And for example, you can see the report right here. So it's exactly like HomeBot or My Home IQ. If you don't know this, I recommend you to study. This is the best tool to win more clients. It's the best tool to help you stay in front of the clients forever. That way they will be forever your clients. And it helps you get more clients as well. All homeowners love to receive this report where they see their home worth, their equity in their home, what they can do with it, how much they can buy to buy more property. We can share them. We can tell them what they can do with it. They can even refinance. We show them the new rate, and we show them the benefit of paying more every month. If they refinance, this is their new rate, and compared to their current rate. So they can do a lot. And this intelligent tool will know if someone is active, buy a house or refinance or need money. You will get notified as well. So this one costs about $200 a month, and we give it to you for free. Okay? We give it to you for free. We have a digital wallet for you you can put your commission here if you are W2, and you can spend it to save you some tax money. We have a referral partner feature where you can track your referral and improve the relationship with your referral partner. Ticket. You can create a ticket. you can create a ticket to you can create a ticket and have the these department can take care of the ticket for you. You can create a ticket for this department. When the loan is closed, you can just click and request commission really fast. Facebook ads. If you want to run a Facebook ad, you can use this tool. It takes you 30 seconds. You can run Facebook ads. And everything ready, set up ready for you. We have many templates based on language, loan program, or loan program by language here. You can filter by loan program. Let me see. We don't have commercial. You can create a lead. When you run an ad, you can decide if you want lead or you want traffic. And this depends on what you want, right? And you can do a Spanish here. Best price guarantee, $1,000 back. If you click on it, you can set how much you want to spend a day, $50 a day, and for how long. And all the content already fill out for you. If you want, you can fix it. You can improve it if you want. You can decide where to run the ads, what language. If you do Spanish, then it show up in Spanish. And only, Facebook is smart. They know their user. They will show your ads to the Spanish users. And that's how you get more lead, better lead. So this tool also costs around $300 a month, but we built it for you and it's free. Google review, you can have your own review. You can set up your own, you own it, Google Business Profile, and you can grow your review. And this is also super important. We have email drip campaign, we have marketing material, we have thousands of images in different language, different program for you to promote. You can promote today's rate or daily rate. You can promote fast to clear loan. If you close the loan in 5 days, you promote it. If you get a 5-star review, you can promote it. So you can promote all of this. And when you click generate, your picture, your information will show up on the image automatically. And you can download it and promote it. So we have this portal, very powerful. Mailing list, we have mailing list, we have lead funnel and widget, we have subscription, we have training academy. That's a lot. I can go on and go on down here too. So, but then I want to stop here because already 1 hour and a half already, and I want to take question. Anyone have question for me? Just let me know. Any question? Just let me know. That's a lot more, and all of these are very valuable for loan officer. And most of us, I would say most, if not all of us, are not using them.
Juan, I got a quick question.
Yes.
Going back to an earlier question about the teams that can be formed and such, is there any way that, because I have a business partner that I work with as well, and we've run branches together and such, and now we're doing the broker model, right? Yes. So is there any way that if we bring a team together and bring it over to the loan factory, that there's an LLC that could be paid the team compensation as opposed to going to an individual? How would that work, or could that be done?
Because an LLC must have a license if it want to get paid. So I know company got sued, got penalized by the state because that LLC doesn't have a license. So it's considered unlicensed activity.
We cannot pay an unlicensed entity at all.
Okay, so then if we had two team leaders, so to speak, could that override be split between the two team leaders?
Yes, we have that.
Okay, that'd work the same way then. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good to know.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Anyone have any question, yet let me know.
I have a quick question.
Yes, please.
All right, we were talking about, I had a question in regards to going from national to state licensure. How much time would I be allowed, or anyone else be allowed, and this offer, how long is it good for to join Loan Factory?
You can join anytime. You can join
Okay.
anytime. And I know that if you are national, that means you are very likely W-2 right now. So when you can join Loan Factory right away under, I think it's licensing authority. Basically, you have a grace period of 2 or 3 months to get the license, and you still practice mortgage. Yes.
So I can join now.
Yes.
While I'm training for the state license.
Yes.
Studying for the state license.
Yeah, if you are receiving W-2 from a bank or lender, when you say you're national, that means you are employed by a bank or lender.
With a bank. Yes.
And you receive W-2. So yes, it's called temporary authority, and you can join Loan Factory and work as a loan officer, I believe, for 3 months. That allow you time to get the license. So then, yes, you're allowed to do that.
You said 60 to 90 days?
Yeah, something like that, for sure.
Okay. How can
You
we
can call
find out?
NMS. You can call NMS to ask them. I'm pretty sure they will say yes.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, hi, Greg.
Oh, you ready for me? Yeah, just one other question. What is the time frame on, let's just say hypothetically, I said, hey, I want to join today. What's the time frame for being fully functional and having access to all the resources?
I would say a few days, 3 days, or even sooner. However, you cannot originate until your license is officially with Loan Factory. And the time it takes depends on the state. Some of the states are behind, but some of the states are very fast. So it's all depends.
Now, how about transition loans? If I have a pipeline that I need to move over, is there a transition desk?
Yes and no. So it depends on where the loan stay. If it's active, I recommend you to keep that loan with the current lender or company and close it out. But if you have any new prospect coming in, then let's say you have a period of 2 or 3 weeks transition period, right? During that time, you stay with your current company and close out all remaining loan. And during that 2-3 weeks, you can send the loan to Loan Factory under my name. The moment you are officially joined, we can either transfer the loan back to you or cancel the loan and resubmit it. And the time it takes is super fast because we have everything from the lender, from the borrower, right? Application, document. So the lender will quickly approve the loan, and we can move forward and close it. So we've been doing this, and it shouldn't be a problem.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Rick. Thank you. Hello, hi, Adam.
Follow-up question there. I have now 2 clients ready to apply as soon as, hopefully I'll join Loan Factory. How can I do that one while I'm in transition?
Both of these loans, did you have an application from them?
No, I don't, but they are ready to send because they're excited about the rate right now.
Yeah, it's the same thing. you join us, and if you are not 100% sponsored by Loan Factory, then these two loans have to be under my name. And then as soon as you are 100% onboarded, then we can either move the loan back to you, or we can cancel the loan and resubmit the loan under your name.
Okay, good, perfect. And I like everything you said, really, and the platform. I can't wait to educate myself about it. And can we switch from 1099 to W-2 or vice versa? Is there a time frame for that?
Switching is super fast and easy, but then you need to make a decision. It's very important decision, because as a W-2 loan officer, you will get paid a lot less. You get paid only 90% instead of 100%, and you have to pay federal and state and local government tax. So that's why most people hate to receive W-2. So it's your choice. You can decide whether you want to be W-2 or 1099. However, in certain states, you must be W-2. You have no choice.
Correct. Yeah. I'm aware of that one, especially North Carolina, where I am also licensed. I'm licensed currently 4 states, and Maryland is the one really gray area, which is clarified. Even employees are responsible for their tax, and they're not requiring any more employers to withhold a tax anymore. So I want to just clarify that with the recruiter. Then it takes time, to get through a lot.
If you want to and must do loan in, let's say, North Carolina, then you have no choice. You have to be W-2. So I guess it comes down to you. If you
I was dropping North Carolina.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, it's really tough. You have to decide on that. I'm sorry about that. For me, it's tough as well. I don't want you to. I want to pay you 1099, but then the state doesn't allow that.
I understand. If I drop drop North Carolina, then I should be okay with the state of Maryland. That's where really a lot of business is going on right now.
I see. Yeah, you can check with the state and get back to us. Yeah. Thank you.
Perfect. I would thank you for taking time.
Hi, Erickson. Hello, Erickson.
Hey, I had a question about that. So just to clarify, if I'm in North Carolina right now, I need to be W-2. What if I was licensed in North Carolina and then also licensed in Arizona, but Arizona doesn't require W-2s? Would I still need to be on W-2?
Yes, you have to be W-2. We cannot pay you W-2 and 1099 at the same time. You can be classified one, not both.
Okay. And then you said the difference between the pay is significant? Like it's a big difference?
It's a big difference, because we all know in America, we pay a lot of tax. And the tax usually be 30-40%. So it's significant.
And then in North Carolina, there's no way I can be on 1099.
Correct. 100% correct. North Carolina have to be W-2.
Okay. And then what would your advice be? Like, I live in North Carolina, but if I originated loans in all the other states, do you think I should just drop North Carolina or just stick to W-2 for all the states?
If currently you don't have a lot of clients in North Carolina, you should do that. But if currently you have a lot of clients in North Carolina, then you should be W-2. And you can also be creative. You can partner with someone. Partnership is always good if you can find the right partner. So if you can find a good partner, you can work together, you can help each other, you can share each other client like that. It's perfect.
Okay. So, all right. Thank you for clarifying that.
Yeah. Thank you.
Just one final question. I'm sorry, one. And those two clients, can they send a PDF application, or how can I send those two applications to
Very
you?
easy. You tell them to apply at loanfactory.com, and also tell the onboarding specialist who working with you, say that you're gonna tell him or her that you are sending 2 clients from you, so that when you onboard, they can switch back to you. You can claim those clients.
Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, Andrew.
Hi, yes. I know you did mention that there's a lot of marketing support, but I was just wondering if you provide any leads, or is it mostly self-generated business?
Good question. Good question. We do generate leads and share with you. So there are 3 different types of leads. The best lead is the client that go to loanfactory.com website and fill it out. So those clients are the best lead. The closing rate is more than 50%. So we pay you very little. We pay you only 25 bps. However, the good thing is you work also very little. Because we have loan coordinator and processor to help you. You do very little. And the best part is the client belong to you. So in the future, if the client come back, it's your client, and you earn 100% commission on that client. So it's your client, not the Loan Factory client. That is the best lead, and everyone loves those leads. The second type of lead is social media lead. We run ads, we got lead, we share with you, and it costs, if you take those leads, the commission is 50-50. You get 50%. The split is 50-50. And the last type of lead we just roll out is trigger lead. The trigger lead, there are 2 options. You can get it for free and it's split 50-50. Or you can purchase those leads. It costs you $2.50, and it's your lead, your client.
Got it. Okay, great. Thank you so much for answering.
Thank you. Thank you. I guess I answered everyone already. Donna? Hello, Donna. Can you unmute? Okay.
Hi there, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Hey, I've been on a couple of times before, and I was getting ready to pull the trigger and jump on board. And I've been talking to Daniel. He said, just jump on board and ask Vaughn if he can give you an approval. And basically, I'm not showing any production right now. I've been in the industry previous about 30 years. Underwriting, processing, sales, regional, branch management, a lot of different things. Went out of the industry, kept my realtor hat on for back and forth a bit, and then I relicensed about 3 years ago. I'm licensed here in North Carolina. We were moving during the COVID times. My husband got really sick, needed a lung surgery. We didn't get back to North Carolina. I'd hoped to help a real estate brokerage open up a lending office in their location. Took them about a year to get licensed. So all through that, the first 6 months of this year, got a pipeline going back there, but I left it there. We weren't able to move to North Carolina at the time, so I left the pipeline there and have been out here in Las Vegas, but we're looking to go back. I joined a nationwide lender, because of the processes that I thought were going to be going on there, but I don't have closed pipeline right now. So they're suggesting coming on board with the mentor. I understand that, but some of the loans that I want to do are kind of some high-end loans, hobby farms, acreage, things of that nature, which I've already been marketing and understand well. So I'm trying to get an approval to get away from that mentorship. I don't want to split the 50-50 or the 30-50. The reason I wanted to come on board with you is the transparency of what you guys got going on. If I'm going to market anything as opposed to this website that we all thought was coming on board, that we would have the ability, I like our transparency of what you've got pricing wise. I think marketing that straightforward is going to be a better way going into this refi market. Again, like not wanting to really split that up when we got to get that skinny on it. So plus those hobby loans and things like that can be pretty big ones. I'm trying to get away from having to have the requirement of that mentorship just because of what I'm coming on board to do. So he said, just jump on here, ask Lon. If he says it's okay, we'll process everything for you. If we need to get on a separate call going forward, we can do that too. But he suggested just jump on here, and if he says okay, we'll just proceed. So that's what I'm doing. I hate to interrupt your whole show with that, but
I mean, you have a lot of experience.
Yeah.
You have a lot of potential. It is so important to be an expert, and you are an expert already. It's just that the market have changed so much, and it's so difficult to find clients.
Exactly.
But if you use the right tool and you have the right technology, right marketing, you can get back. And
yeah, and I think that with you guys, with how transparent you are and all the training that's on there, and I've already been trained twice with 2 different lenders, but then one of them was bought out by another one and they got rid of that product. So I'm adept at probably 20 of the lenders that you have on your 75. The 5 that I'm most interested are on the list. I've already went and vetted them.
can you share with me who require you to join a mentorship program?
Just what Daniel said, because I don't have the 5 closed loans right now, that I needed to have that. And so he said,
With your experience, that you don't have to. I mean, you can tell him that I give you an exception because you are so good already. You don't need to join a mentorship.
thank you. That's all I really wanted to do. And I just wanted to give you another thumbs up, and everybody that's listening here, because I'm really impressed with what you guys have. And again, I've started processing and things like that before in my life. So the systems you put in place are bar none to anything that's out there. And so I'm quite aware of most of them. And anyway, just kind of I'm trying to get to the chase on all that, but like I'm really looking forward to being part of the team. And I just want to do it the way that I want to do it. So I appreciate you working with me.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. I love to work with you. And there's a lot of potential in the company. We have stock now, and the goal of the company to become public in 2-3 years.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of potential.
Licensed real estate in California for over 20 years. So I'm looking forward to maybe being a part of your whatever we can figure out that way too. And I'm not sure where my feet are landing exactly. My husband had a lung surgery last year, and that was a pretty big blow to everything. So it kind of took me out of the thing, but I'm ready to rock and roll now and see what we can do. I've been kind of on the sidelines waiting, and I need to get going.
Cool. Thank you, Dala.
Thank you.
Hello, Erickson. Did I answer you? I think I did. Okay.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, thank you. So thank you, everyone. It is a very long webinar, right? An hour and 50 minutes long. And you can see that if it's boring, if nothing interesting, we cannot last an hour and 50 minutes, right? And you can see I move everything so fast. I move so fast. I show you so many crazy, great things. And you can have all of this, like simply joining Loan Factory. And you don't have to pay us monthly fee. Everything's so cheap at Loan Factory, but everything is quality. It can help you grow your business. So I hope you enjoy the webinar. I hope you learn something and practice it. Do something for your business. Check out our rate, check out our website, compare whatever we offer versus your company or other company. I want you to do better. So you don't have to join Loan Factory right away. I want you to keep thinking hard and find out how you can grow your business, how you can make a lot of money. And of course, you can always reach out to me if you want to talk to me. I mean, my team will, if you ask them that you want to talk to me, they will share with you my contact information. Yeah. So thank you, everyone.
By the way, before we end it, can I, I'm sorry, I joined the webinar so late. I know that this one is recorded. Is there any way you can send the recording to me? Or,
yeah. My team will send you the recording.
Okay, thank you so much.
My team will reach out to you, and so you can tell them, hey, I want to watch it again. Share with me the link, and they will. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. And reach out to me if you want to.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good one. Thank you.